Hi everyone, welcome to our Python tutorial on image processing. Today we are going to learn how to remove the background image from images using some powerful Python libraries. This skill is incredibly useful for graphic design, photo editing and more. Let's get started. At first we will open command prompt and write Jupyter Notebook and enter. It will open Jupyter in browser. Just create a new file and save it with the name. Before we dive into the code, we need to install a couple of essential libraries. We will using REMBG means remove background for the background removal and PIL or Python imaging library for image processing. Let's install these libraries. Import these libraries which we have just installed. We will import REMBG for removing the background and image from PIL for handling the image operation. Now we will setting up the image path. Let's specify the image we want to work with. For this tutorial, we have an image named WowJPG. You will need to replace this with your path to your image. Let's take the look of our original image. It's important to see the starting point before we processing it. Now let's remove the background from our image. This is where the REMBG library does its magic. Remove function takes the image, process it and return with the background removed. With the background removed, let's see what our image look like now. Now we will save this image as PNG. And you can see this is the image. It is also saved in our folder. And there you have it. We have successfully removed the background from the image using Python. This technique is a gateway to many creative possibilities. Try it with different images and see what you can create. Thanks for watching and happy coding.